Hello, good morning everyone. This video is about to describe the percentage of burns and the initial first aid care in the burns. Coming to the burns, first how we can calculate how much area is burned, how we can assess. It is based on rule of nines. Mean in the terms of 9 we will decide the percentage of burned area. This is based on the age groups, that is infant. Infant means 1 year baby. Up to 1 year we will call the child as the not child, that baby is infant. After that we can call him or her as child. Then adult means after 18 years the phase is adult. Coming to the percentage, first let us go to adult, which is very easy. Head is 9%. Coming to the hands, each hand is 9%. Means if we take the half hand, how much it will be? 4.5. So full hand completely front and back is considered as 9%. So both hands how much? 18%. Coming to the front means both chest and trunk area, abdominal area, that is 18%, and back is 18%. So front and back is how much? 36. Both hands 18%, head is 9%, and both front and back, front 18 and back 18. Coming to the perineal area means private parts is 1%. Coming to the legs, each leg is 18%. So front means then how much we can say? Around 9%. Exactly 9. Okay. Back is 9. So completely from one leg is 18 and both legs are 36. Then what we can guess? So it is similar, same as front and back. Okay. Front and back 36. Both legs 36. Now if we can total this, how much it will be? Exactly 100. So that is how 4 18s 72. 3 9s, okay, both hands and head, 3 9s 27 plus 1 private part, that is perineal area. It will be around 100. Coming to the infant, head is given more percent, that is 18%. Double the percentage of adult. Adult is 9. Here infant and child also given 18% to head, means the burns to face or head is very, very dangerous, we can consider. Then coming to the both hands, 9%. Front and back also, front 18 and back 18, total 36. Coming to the legs only less, that is 14%. In the child also same. Child means what? After 1 year. Infant means below 1 year. So head is 18% and each leg is 14%. So head is given more preference, means more percentage, and legs are given because they are not tall, okay, they are not grown ups. So that is given 4%. Then how it can be growing or decreasing over a period when growing the child? We have to add 0.5% to each leg for each year after 1 age. So 14%, no, it will be reaching 18% by the time the child reaches adulthood. Coming to the head, we have to subtract 1% from the head area for each year after 1 year. Then 18 will become 9%. Like this way, we have to calculate the percentage of burned area. Simple question. Now we can ask, one person's hand is burned, one leg is burned, and head is burned. What is the burn percentage? So hand is 9%, head is 9%, means 18. One leg is 18. Total will be 36%. It is also considered major burns. Like this, we will calculate the percentage of burns based on the rule of nines. Coming to the some facts or first aid that we can do in the case of burns. So let us just summarize one. The percentage of burns area is calculated with rule of nines, and burns of face and chest is very serious. We have to call emergency services immediately. We should not wait anymore. Then burns can be due to thermal or chemical sources. Thermal means what? Heat, okay, any gas or any hot liquids, very hot liquids. Then chemical sources means chemicals like acids. Then based on the degree of the burns, we can divide them minor burns and major burns. Minor burns are first degree and second degree burns, and the burn area is around 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Means 2.5 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. So up to 5 we can consider minor burns. Then if the burn area is more than 5 centimeters, then they can be considered as third degree or major burns. We have to give immediate care in such cases. The first degree burns are superficial, skin is red, swollen and painful. So that area is usually within 5 centimeters, and these are the symptoms. Coming to the second degree burns, along with the first degree symptoms, that is red skin, swollen, superficial, blisters also present. Blisters means what? Fluid filled bubs we can say. Okay, so that is blisters is second degree burns feature. Coming to the third degree burns, they are very deep and all the skin layers are burned and they are very serious. Everything will be there. What is there in the first means the skin is very severely red, painful, swollen, and all the layers into the deep to the skin means epidermis, dermis, and deep tissue, adipose tissue also involved in the case of third degree burns or major burns. The first aid that can be done immediately after the burn is first we have to remove the person from that source of burn, chemical or thermal or gas, anything. First immediately we have to evacuate, means remove the patient from that area. That is the first step. Then cool the burnt area with cold water or cold compresses. Cold water means even under tap water, or take a bowl of water and we can dip that part in the water. Or cold compress means what? We can take a cloth, we can dip into a water, compress it and apply over that area. This is in the case of first and second degree or minor burns only. Coming to the third degree burns, we should not immerse in the water. Okay, we should not immerse in the water, and we should not try to remove any cloth over that area. Why? All the 3 layers are involved. Then it will damage the tissues and nerves in that area. And the next point is we should not keep any ice on the burned area in any case. Okay, never use ice chips or ice cubes. Only cold water can be used. Wrap the wound loosely with sterile bandage without any puffy cotton or puffy cloth. Only simple, take a sterile cloth or sterile bandage or cover, just wrap, okay, to prevent the contamination and source of infection from other forces or sources. So don't use any cotton or cloth. We have to wrap the person with a blanket. If the burned area is completely over the body, immediately what we have to do? Take a commonly woolen blanket we will take and wrap the person in that, so that first we will stop that burning or flames we can say. Then we have to elevate the burned body parts, means keeping in the higher position than the normal part. Then this will reduce the accumulation of fluid in that area, that is called edema. Okay, means swelling. We can reduce the swelling by elevating, keeping the part in higher area. Don't remove burned cloth and don't immerse in water in the third degree burns or major burns. This already we discussed. Then we have to call immediately the emergency services or 108 if the burns are major, if they are third degree, if that is child or infant, and the burn area is face or chest. These are the emergency situations where we have to call 108 or emergency services. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.